Alright, so I got this cable on my GoPro mount just in case the mount comes undone. It won't get lost, right? Well, the cable got caught up in the motor and just completely ripped it all off. Fan's ripped, mount where the motor goes is ripped, and you can see it's just carnage. So lesson learned, if you're gonna put a cable on there, probably wrap it up a little bit better. That's all we're gonna be doing today. Did get some cool shots though. This is the Pro Boat Aero Trooper. Fun little boat when it doesn't break. I'll have to get this fixed up. Try to get my stealth wake. I got it upgraded with a new motor. Get that out on a bigger canal because there's not enough water and way too many weeds for this. But so there you have it.